What is up, my YouTube family? Back again with another video. What's going on? How everybody doing today? Anyway, today's video is gonna be kind of small, kind of simple. All I'm doing is installing the Pioneer radio that I had in Big Red. My Red Expedition that's no longer with me, which is probably in the scrap yard right now. I'm still sad about it, but yeah, I'm not gonna let that hold me back. What I'm finna do now, I'm looking in the garage for like some either some electric tape or some connectors. I don't know if I have either right now. I don't know. I'm finna look for that. After I find that, I'm gonna meet you guys back in the car. But by the time I bring you guys back, I already have the other radio, the Pioneer deck in. And the reason I'm switching the Pioneer deck out, man, is I don't know if I remember telling you guys or not, but the Pioneer deck, not the Pioneer, the sound screen, it did good, but it lasted all of a year. I'm not sure if it was from the factory. I'm not sure if the radio remanufactured or some bullshit like that, but the volume button, it does not turn anymore. I have to turn it up either by the remote or touch the screen. And the Pioneer, it's got the buttons on the radio itself. So, but yeah, man, I'll see you guys back in the car. I'm back in the car, and if you're doing this alongside me, I already started without you guys. But anyway, what you need, oh shit, I broke one of my clips, so don't do that. I don't know how I did that, but to get, damn, it's been broke. Somebody already took this out before beside me, and I'm just not paying attention to that. But anyway, it's just pried it out with a screwdriver, and there's two torque head screws right here. They are T27. I don't know if you guys can see that yet because it's not focused, but it's T27. It screws up here, and I think it's two screws down here. And move this back. Set the e-brake, especially when you're on the hill and some shit. And then the wood piece right here just slides up. And take all this junk out. Take out this. Remote to that, and I broke this myself, so I'm not really just worried about that. But after you pull this out, there's two more bolts on the bottom hand side that you need to pull out. I'm sorry, I ain't got y'all aiming it, but after you pull this out, there's two more bolts on the bottom hand side that you got to pull out, and they are there and there. After you pull those out, I think all this should come out if I remember correctly. But if you haven't, you can go watch the SoundStream install video when I did it. And yeah, that'll be that. But I'm finna go ahead and pull this out, wire this other one up. If you don't know how to do that, go back and check the SoundStream video, or drop me a comment down below, and I'll send you a message on Instagram, and I can walk you through how to do it the whole time. I even video call you if that's what you need. If you need to get this done, I'll video call you from Instagram and walk you through it, as long as I'm not super busy. And it's in, playing Bluetooth, bass pumping, my shit all together. I'm pretty sure that my bad. But everything's hooked up. I think only thing I forgot to hook up was I emergency light. So when I pull it all back out, I'm gonna get that taken care of. But let me make sure my heat come on. I think I'm gonna cry if it don't. Okay. But yeah, man, this is gonna be kind of like the end of this video, unless you guys want a little demo of the bass with it, the Pioneer unit. It pretty much sounds similar, but the door speakers, man, this shit is much clearer. Actually, let me find the empty parking lot somewhere to go to, and I'll let you guys hear that.